Today, we will be testing a popular indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing thousands of indicators and strategies, and I'm testing more every single day here on the channel. I've taken the information from my testing and compiled that into spreadsheets. And if you are interested in getting access to the original 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together, you can get access absolutely free. Just click the link down below in the description that says 1100 plus free indicator list here. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a well-known popular indicator. Before we do, though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 702 different strategies, with 195 of them being winners. And so far, since we've been using the Nexus backtest indicator, we've tested the most recent 114 strategies. And out of those 114 strategies, we have been able to make every single one either more profitable than the original strategy or profitable when the original strategy wasn't, using the Nexus backtest indicator. And so far, the single best weekly profit from one strategy has been $7,300. Before we get on with today's video, I realized I've never actually showed the spreadsheet here on the channel. And I feel like there's a lot of value here for the patrons of the channel, and people might want to see what it is that they would be getting. So what we have here is the title of the source video. We have a link to the video that I made on the strategy. We have the win rate. Then here in blue is the really interesting stuff done with Nexus. We have a link to the layout, the win rate of the modified version, and its profit per week, as well as the indicator that I made if there is a custom indicator. And within this little bitty column right here, this is the settings that I changed within Nexus to get to these more profitable versions, which really helps the patrons understand what makes a profitable strategy. But the really cool things are these links right here. These are the forward testing links. So forward testing basically means we put Nexus into an environment where it forward tests the strategy like it's live trading in the market. And these are the links to that. And the ones marked with the green here means that they are profitable strategies in forward testing, generally over a couple hundred trades or at least 100 trades and a reasonable amount of profit. So we'll just run through 3 of them real quick. You can see this one right here has $635 profit per week. It's been trading for 2 months. This one here, over 2 months, almost 3, we have $784 in profit weekly. And then this one right here has only been trading for 24 days, but it has almost $1,800 a week in profit. So you can see how valuable these layouts and these links are to these forward testing. And it really gives you confidence that you can jump in with these strategies and hopefully continue to earn money with them. All right, let's go ahead and get back to today's testing. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a well-known popular indicator. And the source video's title says, finally, 2 free TradingView indicator strategy that actually works in 2026. And so the source video goes on to show one particular indicator, the first indicator, I guess, that it shows, and the one we will be testing today. And it shows how to use that indicator, but it is a popular indicator that I've seen many times before, but this is the first time that I've seen one that gives specific buy and sell labels. So I thought it would be interesting to go ahead and test that first and foremost and see what kind of results we can get out of it. And the indicator that we have on screen is called the SSL Channel. And it's going to be this one right here by Miss Tricky. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And as the name implies, this is an SSL channel. And you can see it here. And what I noted was, again, these buy and sell labels like this here. Now, there's, of course, many settings you can set this on that will change these buy and sell labels. But I left it just on the default settings with the chart time frame and everything just as is. And again, I wanted to just see what we were able to get out of these buy and sell labels here and what kind of profitability we can achieve, if anything. Again, just because it's a popular indicator, and I thought it would be interesting to test that first. And so now we get these buy and sell labels, like I mentioned, and for a long trade setup, we are looking for just a buy label like this here. And we'd set our trade right there, and our stop would be located at this swing low here, and we would be targeting the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward like usual right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see how we make this really nice steady climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the results of this indicator here. So we'll just go ahead and exit out of the bar replay like so, and we'll turn on the Nexus backtest indicator. Take a second to load the results here. Okay, so we have a 43.5% win rate, 86 trades altogether, about 20,000 bars look back. About 3 months worth of trading puts our total profit and loss at a gain of $725. Puts our total profit and loss per week at a gain of $50. So not amazing, not anything wildly incredible, but again, as I've said many times before, someone's giving me $50 a week. I wouldn't say no to that, but is it really worth your time to take all the effort to trade to basically break even? It's kind of up to you to decide. Now, of course, we tweaked some settings, played around with a few things, and came up with this version here. And so now we have a 43.5% win rate, 109 trades altogether. Look back about 20,000 bars, and again, about 3 months worth of trading. But now our total profit and loss is at a gain of $7,309, and our total profit and loss per week is $510. So again, not amazing. You're definitely not going to get rich off of that, but definitely a lot better. I'm definitely going to be putting in the effort to make an additional $500 a week. Now, the only modifications that we made to this from the last version was instead of using the last swing low or high as our stop, we're using an ATR stop. And so we have the ATR set to a 100 period, and we have a multiple of 1 is going to be our new stop. And then we changed it from a 1 to 1.5 to a 1 to 1.75. And other than that, everything else stays the same. And so you would just enter into the trade like before. And so we'll zoom in here like so. So we get a sell trade right here. We would set our stop at an ATR of 1 times the 100 period ATR, and we would put our take profit at the 1 to 1.75 area right here. And so you can see if we map that out here like so, to there, and now we're down to here. Off just a little bit on my numbers there, but you can see we are really close to what we're looking at, right about there. So now you can see 1 to 1.75. It's just slightly a little short because the drawing tool, but that is the setup on this version to get to this profitability here. Now, like we do, of course, we tweaked the settings even more and came up with this version here. So we have a 49.5% win rate with 103 trades altogether. Again, about 20,000 bars in 3 months worth of trading. Puts our total profit and loss at a gain of $16,941. Puts our total profit and loss per week at a gain of $1,184. Now, again, is it going to make you rich? No, but you could definitely live off of that profitability. And these settings, of course, we will provide to the patrons of the channel. We will add those to the spreadsheet that all the patrons get. And so if you're interested in the settings that I tweaked to get to this profitability, just join our Patreon down below and you will get access to the spreadsheet that will outline exactly how you get this. Not only the settings, but you can just click on the layout link and it'll bring it up right on your screen with the settings already built into it, assuming you have access to all these indicators here. So But yeah, definitely better results here. And again, all those settings will be notated. That's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put the indicator on the yes list because obviously the first version was profitable, not hugely, but still profitable. And of course, like I said, we'll note this more profitable version in the spreadsheet, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.